revolves around the waiting that the people of Israel did for a long time as they were waiting for a Savior, as Mary waiting to see the promise fulfilled, and even now we still wait for healing, for peace, and for Christ to come again. And the text of the Flower of Jesse, which is our first song, is based from Isaiah chapter 11, and it looks ahead in hope, reminding us of that long before Christ was born, there was already a promise unfolding, the promise of a Savior who would bring hope to a weary world. There is a flower sprung on a tree, the roots thereof is called Jesse. 'Tis indeed of thy precious grace, for there is none such in all paradise. This is the flower sprung on a tree, the roots thereof is called Jesse. It is fresh and fair of him, his never fadeth, but is ever new. This is a flower sprung of a tree, the roots thereof is called Jesse. There is a flower sprung of a tree, the roots thereof is called Jesse. The cedar of the hills, God's commandment, so